Hello. Coming online after a long time. I hope still people can link this discussion with the earlier videos. Uh, yeah. In the last video, I was discussing about a relation between Shakti. I mean, I was correlating Shaktism and modern science. I was discussing Ichha Shakti at the end, and Ichha I consider as want of something which is not there. Okay, so now here, okay, how to explain this? Okay, let's consider want of something which is not there. Now, this I considered the example of osmosis here, but osmosis is not very widely used concept. So later I thought about a more wide concept, thermodynamic equilibrium, where two systems, when they come in contact with each other uh, and are not coming in contact with any other system. Suppose here heat is more, like here temperature is more, here temperature is less. The heat will flow from here to here such that the temperature becomes um, same in both the systems. Similarly, if there is more water here, less water here, water will flow from here to here so that uh, the level of water becomes same in both the systems. Uh, Probably related to pressure also, things go to equilibrium. Related to macro parameters, thermodynamic macro parameters, um, whenever two systems come in contact with each other, they go towards equilibrium. Like, and actually, in reality, in real world, there is no perfectly closed system other than the entire universe. So every system is coming in contact with some other system, and where something is not there, to that direction things flow. Okay, so the reason behind this flow is considered as Ichha in Shaktism. There is slightly modern scientific idea also, which is related to electron or photon, which exhibit wave nature as well as particle nature. So, interestingly, what that particle, what electron will be or what photon will be, is decided based on how it is measured. Like, uh, so, uh, how it is measured. So, suppose people are bombarding electron stream with photons. Light. If they are bombarding like that, then electrons will behave as particle. They will reflect the light, and we can find out the position of electron. Likewise, if electrons are passed through a tiny slit, passed through two tiny slits, then they will form interference pattern on the wall on which they are getting bombarded, we can say. uh, so they will behave as wave in that case. So here, uh, what we can say is it's neither wave nor particle. So there is a wish of becoming wave or becoming particle, and in whichever direction kriya is happening, in that direction the jnana appears. Like, the reality so earlier we discussed, no, uh, Shakti flows from whatever is there towards whatever is not there, uh, that from jnana towards ichha, and ichha is fulfilled, and that appears as new knowledge. New, we can identify that if it is happening for long enough time. So now, when kriya of bombarding, kriya of reflecting photons from the electron particles electrons is happening, that kriya, uh, that that kriya is directed towards electron, towards the itch of being a particle. So the jnana becomes that electron is a particle. But when the electron stream is passed through double slit, then the kriya of going through two slits, two tiny slits, is directed towards jnana of photon, is directed towards jnana of electron being a wave. Same nature is exhibited by photon. So actually this Shaktism ideas can be correlated to this also, wave and particle nature of small particles like photon, electrons. Small, I don't know how to call it now. Yeah, photon, electrons, etc. So that I wanted to discuss, and now this much we have understood what is the Shaktism idea. Some basics are available now. So this idea is actually solving the problem of lack of quantitative information in case of Satchidananda. How much is happening? That is, how much Shakti is there in, how much Shakti is applied at a particular instance for a particular thing. Like suppose the Jnana Shakti of a rock, small rock existing, and the Jnana Shakti of a big boulder existing are, the quantities are different. So the whenever some kriya happens related to these two, the resulting jnana also has a different quantity. I don't know whether I am able to convey what I am thinking. If it is not, if I am not making sense, let me know in the comment section, so that I will try to put the thoughts in a way, huh, so that people can understand. Actually, that is the indicator of how much I also understand, because if I understand it well, I should be able to put in the correct words.